Irv's Backyard Adventures. I don't know what this fall's called, but we're at Moose River. Middle of nowhere. They're walking. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's still at the top there's still more, eh?
Kind of comes into the ground there, right under that tree.
Okay. That's cool.
I imagine the tractors have been back here somewhere too, eh?
Probably, yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. And this will get protected. This water's so clean you can drink from it.
Really?
Look at that. Look at that water, you can drink it. Oh. Look at the moss. Real nice moss. They come walking in from this way. And then we found it.